guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this look here for you guys. It's a look I created on the Snapchat tutorial I did on melanin makeup daily. I was gonna say melanin beauties, you know. Like there's so many melanin pages on Instagram. But anyways, most people are familiar with melanin makeup daily, but just in case you're not, it's a platform for everybody, every color, you don't have to be melaninated to have it. It's dark, light, white, black, Asia, anything, girl, you can come on that platform and create. So anyways, I created this look pretty much to the T, but not exactly. But I literally tried to recreate it with the jewelry, with the sweater I'm wearing, with everything. So yeah. If you want to see how I achieved this look, let's keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So using my Smashbox primer in light. I hope you're recording. I'm looking at my monitor because I can't see myself moving. Using my Smashbox primer in light, I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this Sephora concealer in number 17, chocolate souffle, I believe that's what it's called. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. This is not necessarily going to be neat. I just need something to put there. I'm going to use my concealer, my LA Girl Pro concealer in light ivory. You guys know I like using this stuff to highlight my brow bone. Sorry, as my eyeshadow base. What am I saying? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this orange shade. This fuchsia pink here. I don't know why it's not showing like the exact color. Ooh, I love this. And I'm using circular motions to blend. With the brush I use for my transition color without adding any product, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the product. I'm going into blend first of all. I'm adding some orange just so that orange can peek through. Now I'm gonna go back again with that pink. Just I go back and forth whenever I do a crease and transition color. Just like, ooh, look at that. Oh, I love it. This blue here, I'm gonna put that at my outer V. Anyways, I'm gonna put this at the outer V, and I'm using this sort of dense brush. I love this, like when I blend both of them, it gives me like this purpley, I don't even know what to call it, purpley pink, I don't know. I'm just gonna apply that in my inner corners. feel like it's too bright. Like you guys can't really see. Hold on. Let me reduce this light and see what happens. I hope it is not too dark either, because then that will suck. Oh Lord, I think it is too dark. I'm going with the brush I use for my crease, and I'm just sort of blending that. Touch that blue. As you can see, when I blended out the blue, it came out quite different. So this is the actual color of the blue. I'm gonna use my NYX liner, and I'm going. Am I recording? Sorry. I'm gonna use my NYX liner, and I'm going to line. I've put my foundation on, and I have done my brows, and now I'm just gonna finish off the eyes real quick and then highlight my face. So I'm gonna first of all go with the pink.
Swirl.
And I'm putting that right below that pink. I'm just gonna use my my powder brush to swoop off any excess underneath there, and I'm just gonna clean my nose and lightly contour that with my face powder before I highlight my face. Into my Carly by Doll palette, I'm gonna take this pinkish highlighter here. I'm gonna take this and these two, and using a fan brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. I've never put colored highlighter on my face, so woo. Okay, mistake. So I'm just giving it like a hint. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just blending it using that brush. For blush, I'm going to go into my Saharan blush palette, and I'm gonna dab into this. Actually, I want to dab into 1, 2, 3. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. I'm gonna put the Mario Badescu, and I'm gonna quickly spray my Dewy NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to apply NYX lip cream in London. top of that, I'm gonna apply a little bit of NYX gloss, Intense Butter Gloss in Tres Leches. This has become my favorite gloss now, you guys. For a little bit more shine, I'm gonna go over that with this my ColourPop Cosmetics gloss, and I want it to be glossy, like, you know. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, but anyways, this is a finished look, guys. I really love how it turned out, and I love recreating the look, and I like how the blue eyes kind of went with the look, you know. So yeah. This is a finished look. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I'm also gonna try and recreate a look I did a snap tutorial on Naija Best MUA. I'll try and recreate that look as well, so I can have a video of the look. So yeah, okay guys, so today's verse of the day is Genesis 39:21. And it's already in the beginning of the video, so just in case you don't have a Bible and you want to know what I'm talking about. So the story of Joseph in general just intrigues me. I just find it amazing how he was highly favored by God, and you know, all he did was obey God. All he did was, you know, just obey God, and it's the grace of God. So that's just all I know. He found favor in the eyes of God and in the eyes of man, literally. And you know, like his master Potiphar literally put everything under his care. He said everything that was the Potiphar never worried himself with pretty much anything in the house when Joseph was there. The only thing that he was, you know, that he was not necessarily worried about, but it was his wife, that it was like that was the only thing Joseph could not touch. We all face temptations here and there. Like I always think, I'm like, honestly, if I was in Joseph's shoes, I can imagine being a Jew then. I don't know what I would have done when Potiphar's wife came and, you know, was being all seductive or whatever, but I just know that it's by the grace of God, because I cannot imagine, you know, being Joseph at that point in time. He probably didn't have a babe or something, and you know, like, you know, he probably had needs. So but he was so strong in God, like he was so obedient to God, and the grace of God was so great on his life that he was able to say no, because truly he could have slept with Potiphar's wife and Potiphar would not know. But that just goes to say obedience is better than sacrifice, and just God is looking and he's gonna favor you. He's watching, and he's not here coming to say, oh yeah, you gotta be perfect or nothing like that. No, just strive. The thing that God is worried about is the efforts you put in obeying him, in doing what he says you should do. So I just pray that God helps us, because it's really a hard time, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you have temptations left, right, center, child, but we can do this by the grace of God. I strongly believe. I've been talking the whole time on my teeth. Can you see that? It's just you striving towards that perfection, you know, and God knows that we're human, so we're gonna fall, but just don't consciously do it, you know what I mean? And even when you consciously do it, get yourself back up and say sorry and move on. And you know, the thing about God is he forgives and forgets. He's not gonna remind you, oh, that time so and so. Nah, he ain't gonna do that. Our God is a faithful God. He's a merciful God. He's love. He is the true essence of love. He himself is love. So I hope this encourages somebody, because really that's just what it's about. When it encourages me, I just like to bring it to you guys. So yeah, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of me, and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I pray that God is going to lead many more people to this channel so you all can subscribe. Okay, all right guys, I will see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.